So let us understand about modifying company. So go to company, click modify. So here you can modify company name, print name, description. So company name and print name is optional. If you want different name to be appear on voucher printing or in reports, so you can give a different print name. Now here you cannot change accounting year which is start, because while creating company you have already given the accounting year starts on 2019. So you can see it is disabled. The accounting book start date also you cannot change. It is 1/4/19. Month you can change. uh, Currency also you can change. What else? Address you can change. Okay, now let us go to another tab. In a voucher entry, if you are using inventory, what it says is like in go down transfer voucher use purchase price or sales price. When you if there are multiple godowns and you are transferring material or items from one godown to another godown, so you need to mention like which price you will use for that. So it is a purchase price or sales price. So by default it is purchase price. It makes sense to keep it as a purchase price. In general voucher, by default the cash and bank accounts are blocked. If you want to use them in general voucher, you can click here. Allow sales and purchase entries with zero amount. Like if you want to give certain goods for free, then click here. Allow accounting entries with zero amount. It's like if you are bank and cash, a contra voucher, if you are entering, you are removing zero amount and entering adding zero amount to another account. It usually it is not required, so I'll keep it unselected. Now this is interesting. Like these are voucher types. In voucher types, you can have quotation out. You can keep this sales or purchase account as an optional. Go down as an optional. But in a sales account, sales voucher, you cannot give the sales or purchase account as optional. Similarly, in the purchase voucher, you have to have the purchase account. So these are selections which you need to do according to your use pattern. Like in challan out, you can hide the rate and amount. In sales and purchase account for challan out, even that you can hide, not required to give. Okay, here are few different options like depreciation calculation. You can select a rounding method. Also invoice rounding, you can select a rounding method. So for invoice rounding, let us select round to nearest 1 rupee, which is a popular rounding method all across. And rounding account, we don't have that rounding account yet, so you can create the rounding account from here. Click this arrow, click add, and I will say round off, and I'll give a parent as expense indirect. You can make like round for sale, round for purchase, so it can go under purchase account, sale account. I am putting it in a expense indirect. So we'll select that rounding account. So this is a round off we have selected. Depreciation calculation, you can give a round to nearest round up or round down.